Okay, good morning students. Yesterday I have discussed about the compound angles, trigonometric ratios for sum of the two angles or difference of the two angles and some trigonometric values sin 15, sin 75, cos 15, cos 75, tan 15, tan 75 up to secant 15 and secant 75, cosecant 15 and cosecant 75. Already we discussed yesterday class. Now today I have discussed about the multiple angles and submultiple angle. For suppose A is the angle is there, A is the angle, let A be the angle, multiple with a real numbers, multiple of the angle, that is 2A, 3A, so on etc. are called the multiple angles. Submultiples A by 2, A by 3, 3A by 4 are called the submultiple angles. Now we have discussed today class we have discussed about the multiple angles and submultiple angles. Before that, in lecture 4 I had some mistake, that one, what is the formula, that is sin of minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. In lecture 4 I had some mistake, that one, recorrect that one. Sin of minus theta equal to minus sin theta. What is the question is going on, that one? Sin of minus 365 degrees actually. Find the value of that one. Here sin of minus theta. First remove the sign. Negative of the sine angle, that equal to minus sin 365. After that you will write 315, not 365. That is 315, 315 degrees. Now after that it will be write as sin of 3 into 90 plus 45. 3 into 90, you know that 0, 1, 2, 3. These are the first, second, third, whatever reminders. Now 3 is the remainder for n into 90 plus or minus theta, n into theta, n value 3 plus 45. 3 plus 45 means in the fourth coordinate sign a negative. This is already minus of, okay, n is odd, sign will be changed into cos 45. Minus into minus plus, cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Already I explained this one, but some mistake is going on that problem. That is, what is the formula? Sin of minus theta equal to actually minus sin theta. Actually on that day overlook it will write plus. That is the problem. Okay, you excuse that one, no problem at all. Okay, in lecture 4, once we will see the lecture 4 at the I think middle or starting. Now today we discuss about the multiple angles. 2A is a multiple angle, 3A is a multiple angle of A. Okay, now A is the any angle. Now 2A, so 2A is there. 2A is the multiple angle of A. Now sin 2A. Now we find the sin 2A. What is the formula of sin 2A? Sin 2x, sin 2y, sin 2 theta, whatever may be. Sin 2A formula 2 sin A cos A, that equal in purely in terms of tan 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A. 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A. Understood? How will get this one? We know the formula. Yesterday we learned the formulas, compound angles, sum of the two angles, sin of A plus B formula. You know very well or not? Sin of A plus B formula, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. You know very well. Students, you know? Yes. Replace in this one. Replace B by A. Instead of B, you write the A. What happened this one? Sin of A plus B means A plus A means 2A is equal to sin A, B means A cos A plus cos A, this is also sin A. Both these two are same, sin A cos A, sin A cos A. 1 plus 1, that equal 2. 2 sin A cos A. Say yes or no? Yes. Now after this one, this is multiplying with the numerator and denominator multiplying with secant square A. Yes or no? That equal to 2 sin A, after this one cos A into secant square A by secant square A. The numerator and denominator multiplying with secant square A. For which purpose means second formula purpose. No problem at all. This one cancel, again you get this one. Now 2 sin A cos A into secant square A means here 1 by cos square A by denominator secant square A. From the identity secant square A minus tan square A is equal to, you know the formula, secant square A minus tan square A is equal to 1. From here secant square A is equal 1 plus tan square A, 1 plus tan square A. Now here cos cancel, here remaining sin A by cos A. Here what happened? This is 1 plus tan square A. Secant square A means 1 plus tan square A. Now here cos cancel. What is the remaining? Sin A by cos A. Sin A by cos A means tan A. Already 2 is there. 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A. This is the formula for sin 2A. How many formulas are there sin 2A? Sin 2A is equal to the formula 2 sin A cos A, that is equal to 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A. Please remember the formula. Okay. Now suppose this is the multiple angle. For suppose in this one submultiple. Submultiple means replace in this total formula, replace A by 2. Instead of A you write A by 2. A by 2. What happens submultiple formula? Submultiples formula means sin, instead of A write A by 2, 2 cancel, that is sin A. Sin A is equal to 2 sin, what is A? A by 2 cos A by 2, that equal to 2 tan A by 2 by 1 plus tan square A by 2. Instead of A you write A by 2, A by 2, A by 2, A by 2. Remember this formula sin A, submultiples 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2, 2 tan A by 2 by 1 plus tan square A by 2. Sin 2A formula 2 sin A cos A, that equal to 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A. Here how many formulas are there? 4 formulas total you have learned in multiple and submultiple angles. Multiple angles 2 formulas, submultiple angles you have 3 formulas. Understood? Now you will go to the next formula, that is cos 2A. What is the formula of cos 2A? How many formulas for cos 2A? Now cos 2A is equal to cos square A plus sin square A. Say yes or no? Yes. Now prove that cos 2A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. This is one of the formula. Next one 1 minus 2 sin square A. This is second formula. Third formula 2 cos square A minus 1. This is the third formula. Fourth formula 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. Hello my dear students. These formulas are very useful in the calculus part. Without these formulas we cannot do anything in the calculus. Please. The calculus weightage in the class 12 or mains level at least 40% of the marks of the question paper. Okay. In CBSE 35 marks. Out of 80 it was 35 marks. Remember? Nearly 40%. Above 40%, 45% nearly. Okay. Don't neglect this topic. These formulas. Okay. Students. Now, you know the formula. How to prove this one? We know very well a cos of A plus B formula. Say yes or no? Cos of A plus B. Proofs or solution. Cos of A plus B formula you know very well. What is the cos of A plus B? Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. The same way, replace B by A. Instead of B, we write A, B is equal to A. What happened? Cos of A plus A, that is 2A, is equal to cos A, B means A, that is cos A, minus sin A, B means A, sin A. Cos A into cos A, cos square A, minus, what happened? That equal to sin square A. Sin A into sin A, sin square A. First one is completed. After that, from the identity you know very well, formulas, so many formulas are there. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. From here, cos square A plus sin square A is equal to 1. From this one, For suppose cos square A is equal to, what is the formula? Cos square A equal to 1 minus sin square A. Say yes or no? From here sin square A equal formula 1 minus cos square A. You know very well, I think. Now here cos square A, what is the formula of cos square A? 1 minus sin square A minus here sin square A. That equal to 1 minus sin square A minus sin square A. That equal to minus 2 sin square A. This is another formula. Understood or not? Yes. From this one cos 2A formula, cos square A minus sin square A. From here sin square A. Sin square A equal to formula 1 minus cos square A. Say yes or no? Yes. That equal to cos square A minus sin square A. Sin square A formula 1 minus cos square A. That is equal to cos square A minus 1, minus into minus plus cos square A. Cos square A plus cos square A, 2 cos square A minus 1. This is cos 2A. I think you understood. Say yes or no? Next, last one, how to do that one. What the formula of cos 2A means? Cos square A minus sin square A. Cos 2A formula 1 minus 2 sin square A. Cos 2A in pure cos, 2 cos square A minus 1. In pure sin, 1 minus 2 sin square. Both combined, cos and sin means cos square A minus sin square A. Now in terms of tan, what is the formula of cos 2A? You know very well. Cos 2A formula, cos square A minus sin square A. Cos square A minus sin square A. Same, the multiply and divide with the secant square A. Before problem we will do. Multiply and divide with the secant square A by secant square A. Now multiply cos square A into secant square A minus sin square A into secant square A by secant square A. Before I told, what is the formula of secant square A? That equal to 1 plus tan square A. What is the reciprocal of sin and cos? The reciprocal of the cos is secant. Cos and secant, these three are reciprocal, their product must be equal to 1. Otherwise, secant square A means 1 by cos square A, cos square A, cos square A cancel. That is answer is 1 minus secant square A means 1 by cos square A, 1 by cos square A, sin square by cos square A means tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. This is cos 2A formula. How many formulas for cos? Here 4 formulas are there. What are the formulas for cos 2A? Cos square A minus sin square A, 1 minus 2 sin square A, 2 cos square A minus 1, 1 minus tan square by 1 plus tan square A. Depending on the problem, we apply the formulas. For suppose the answer in terms of cos, purely write the cos formula. Answer in terms of sin, write this one. Answer in terms of tan. Both sin and cos combined, you write this one. Now, this is the multiple formula. Submultiple, what happened? Instead of A by 2 you will write. A replace A by 2. What happened to the formulas? Now, 2 into A by 2. 2 cancel, that is cos A. Now, cos A is equal to cos square instead of A by 2 minus sin square A by 2. You substitute A is equal to A by 2 in these formulas. What happened? Cos A, again cos A is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square A. A means how much? A by 2. 2 cos square A by 2 minus 1. 1 minus tan square A by 2 by 1 minus tan square A by 2 by 1 plus tan square A by 2. Okay, my dear students, understood? This is the formula for cos 2A and cos A, multiple and submultiple angles. Now, we are going to other formula, that is tan 2A. From this one, observe that, from this one cos 2A, remaining important formulas are there, very important formulas are there. Cos 2A formulas, very important formulas, very useful formulas. Okay, remember. After that, we will explain tan 2A, all remaining formulas. Okay, please listen carefully. Again, we discuss about the cos 2A, from the cos 2A. Half angle formulas, those are very important questions. Okay, compulsory, I think last 2 years I observed, in class 11 also, compulsory 6 marks question. Okay. Class 11 not any competitive exam, it is very very important one. Now cos 2a formula. What is the formula of cos 2a? 1 minus 2 sin square a. Okay. Next, what is the formula of cos 2a? 2 cos square a minus 1. What is the formula of cos a? In this one, cos a means 1 minus 2 sin square a by 2. What is the formula of cos a? 2 cos square a by 2 minus 1. Just before I explained cos 2a formula 2 cos square a minus 1, cos 2a formula 1 minus 2 sin square a, cos a formula 1 minus 2 sin square a by 2, cos a formula 2 cos square a by 2 minus 1. Say yes or no? I think you have understood. From here, minus 1 this side means plus 1. 2 cos square a equal 1 plus cos 2a. Remember this formula. 2 cos square a is equal 1 plus cos 2a. Very very important formulas. 1 plus cos 2a is equal 2 cos square a. Next, cos square a is equal 1 plus cos 2a by 2. Now, cos a is equal plus or minus root over 1 plus cos 2a by 2. Why here write plus or minus means depends on the angle A. First of all, this angle lies in cos. This angle lies in first and second coordinate. You will take the positive. If the angle lies in the third and fourth, cos. First and fourth cos positive. Second and third cos negative. Plus or minus depends on the angle A. Coordinate system will go to coordinate system. You remember the formula? 1 plus cos 2a formula 2 cos square a, cos square a formula 1 plus cos 2a by 2, cos a formula plus or minus root over 1 plus cos 2a by 2. Understood? Understood my students? My dear student? Okay. Next, minus this side plus this is this side. 2 sin square a is equal to 1 minus cos 2a. 2 sin square a is equal to 1 minus cos 2a. Say yes or no? Now sin square a is equal to 1 minus cos 2a by 2. Now sin a is equal to plus or minus root over 1 minus cos 2a by 2. You remember? These are very very important formulas. Here same also, plus we will take the angle lies in the first and second, because sin positive in first and second coordinate, sin negative in third and fourth coordinate. Depends on the angle A, we will take the plus and minus. Sin A you have, cos A you have. Tan A means, what happened? Tan A is equal, this one by sin A by cos A, sin A by cos A, this one by this one, plus or minus root over this one by this one means 2 cancel, 1 minus cos 2a by 1 plus cos 2a. You remember this one. The derivatives root over 1 minus cos 2 by 1. Find the derivative of, for suppose, find the derivative of root over 1 minus cos 2 by 1 plus cos 2a, or cos 2x by 1 plus cos 2x. That is nothing but the tan x, derivative of tan x. Next topic, derivative of tan x means you know that secant square x. That's why we will write easily. Now submultiple angles. So listen carefully, submultiple. What are the submultiple angles here? In the same way, you supply the formulas instead of a by 2. What happened? Apply from this one. Here, this is this side, this is this side. 2 sin square a by 2 is equal to 1 minus cos a. Rearrangement. Very very important one. That equals sin square a by 2 is equal to, sin square a by 2 is equal to 1 minus cos a by 2. Remember the formula, not cos 2a. Now, this is one of the formula. This is another formula. Next, sin a by 2. Sin a by 2 is equal to root over 1 minus cos a by 2 under plus or minus. Why plus or minus means a by 2 lies in which coordinate? For suppose sin is lies in the first coordinate and second coordinate positive, third and fourth means 100% it is negative. Okay, this is the formula. Now cos a. Cos a is equal to formula that equal to 2 cos square a by 2 minus 1. Now that is this side means plus. Now 2 cos square a by 2 is equal to 1 plus cos a. Now cos square a by 2 is equal to 1 plus cos a by 2. Now cos a by 2 is equal to plus or minus root over 1 plus cos A by 2. Now these are very, very important formulas. Now tan A by 2, sin A by 2 by cos A by 2. What happened tan A by 2? Tan A by 2 is equal to plus or minus what happened? Root over 1 minus cos A by 1 plus cos A. Please remember these formulas. What are the formulas? You remember? What is the formula of sin A by 2 formula? Plus or minus root over 1 minus cos A by 2. Cos A by 2 formula plus or minus root over 1 plus cos A by 2. Okay. Next, what is the formula of tan A by 2? That equal plus or minus root over 1 minus cos A by 1 plus cos A. Now, we will see the one problem on this one. Very, very important question. Listen carefully. How to do the problem on this one? What is given? How to find this one? What the question is going on? Find sin x by 2, cos x by 2, tan x by 2 means sin A by 2, cos A by sin A by 2, cos A by 2, tan A by 2. Instead of A, write the x. X is the angle here. Okay. Now here tan x is equal to minus 4 by 3. X is in second coordinate. X belongs to in the second coordinate. X belongs in the second coordinate. Yeah. First, whenever x is second coordinate means in the second coordinate 100% tan is negative. In the angle is second coordinate 100% tan in the second coordinate negative. What is given means this is the angle x. Tan means opposite side by adjacent side. This is 4, this is 3 means this is 100% 25. 16 plus 9 means 25, root 25 means hypotenuse, root 25 means 5. Understood or not? Now we find the x by 2, x by 2, x by 2. Here what is given? X lies in the second coordinate, but you find the values of x by 2, x by 2, x by 2. X by 2 lies in which coordinate? That is the important one. Here x in the second coordinate, no problem. Sin x by 2 formula is there, root over 1 minus cos A by 2. Here A is in the second coordinate, no problem, already given clearly. In the second coordinate, sin and cosecant are positive, remaining all are negative. But you find the sin x by 2 means plus or minus. How to find that one? X is given, x lies between each coordinate? Second coordinate. The second coordinate means 90 to 180. Given x belongs to Q2. Q2 means second coordinate. What are the angles in the second coordinate? 90 less than, x less than 180. 90 less than, x less than 180. Understood? 90. But we want the x by 2. 90 divided by 2. 90 by 2. 90 by 2 less than, x by 2 less than 180 by 2. 90 by 2 means 45 less than, x by 2 less than 90. 45 to 90 which coordinate? X by 2 is belongs to Q1 in the first coordinate. Here sin x by 2 in first coordinate positive or negative? Positive. Cos x by 2 plus or minus? Plus. Why? Plus. X by 2 belongs to first coordinate. Tan x by 2 positive or negative? Positive. From this triangle, what is the cos x? Now from this one cos x. X belongs, x and x by 2, don't confuse. X by 2 belongs to the first coordinate, but x belongs to the second coordinate. Cos x, I will find the cos x. X lies in second coordinate, cos is negative. Cos is negative means how? What is the definition of cos? Opposite adjacent side by hypotenuse, 3 by 5. But in the cos, in the second coordinate must and should negative. Understood? Okay, now he will find the sin x by 2. What is the formula of sin x by 2? Actually, sin x by 2 is equal to, actually plus or minus. Now we will take plus or minus. Which one? Only one, plus or minus. Only I will take the plus only. Why plus? Here x by 2 belongs to which coordinate? First coordinate. Now root over 1 minus cos x by 2. Instead of A is the x. Already cos x we find how much? Minus 3 by 5. Under root of 1 plus 3 by 5 by 2. Already cos value negative. Negative minus negative positive. Here 5 plus 3. 8 by 5 by 2. 8 by 5 by 2 means 8 by 10. 8 by 10. 4 by 5. 4 by 5. Root 4 by 5 means 2 by root 5. It is over. Next we will find the cos x by 2. Cos x by 2 positive or negative? 100% positive, because cos x by 2 belongs to in first coordinate. Root over the formula 1 plus cos x by 2. 1 plus cos x by 2. Say yes or no? 100%. That equal root over 1 minus cos x value 3 by 5 by 2. Here cos x value negative, minus 3 by 5. 5 minus 3, 2 by 5 by 2. 1 by root 5. This is cos x by 2. Tan x by 2 means sin x by 2 by 100% cos x by 2. Now sin x by 2 value 2 by root 5 by 1 by root 5. Root 5 cancel. What is the answer for tan x by 2? Tan x by 2 equal to, all are positive or not? First coordinate all values are positive. We will do in this way. We remember must and should each and every formula without fail. Please, everyone must and should remember the formulas. Each and every formula we will remember. Okay, my dear students? Okay. Now, next we will go to the next formula, multiple angles, tan 2x. Tan 2x. Tan of a plus b formula. Revoke. What is the tan of a plus b formula? Tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. From that one, we will easily find out the formula, tan of a plus b formula. Okay. In this one, replace b by a. Now tan 2a. What is the formula of tan 2a? 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. The same way. You know the tan of a plus b formula? Tan of a plus b equal formula? Tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. Now here replace b by a. Tan a plus a means tan 2a is equal to tan a plus tan a, 2 tan a by 1 minus tan a tan a, tan a into tan a tan square. Understand? Now similarly cot 2a. What is the formula of cot 2a? Cot square a minus 1 by 2 cot a. Here half angle formulas, tan a. Now replace a by 2. Tan a is equal to, what is the formula? 2 tan a by 2 by 1 minus tan square a by 2. Next cot a. Cot square a by 2 minus 1 by 2 cot a by 2. Okay, my dear students. Now, next sin 3a, cos 3a, tan 3a, cot 3a. Just we will write the formulas. No need of the, what is that one? Proofs. Okay, what is the formula of sin 3a? Multiple angle of a by 3. Okay. Now the formula for sin 3a. Sin 3a formula. Please read all the formulas. Okay. What is the formula of sin 3a? Now sin 3a is equal to 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. How will you get? Very easily. Remember, sin 3a, that equal to sin of, answer total in terms of sin 2a plus a. 3a will be right as 2a plus a. 2a plus a is 3a. This is sin of a plus b formula. What is the formula of sin of a plus b? Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Understood? Apply the formula, sin 2a formula. 2 sin a cos a into cos a plus cos 2a formula. Cos 2a formula 1 minus 2 sin square a into sin. Here 2 sin a cos a into cos a cos square a plus 1 into sin a minus 2 into sin square a into sin a, 2 sin cube a. Now 2 sin a cos square a means 1 minus sin square a plus sin A minus 2 sin cube A after multiplication. Now again multiply 2 sin A into 1, 2 sin A minus 2 sin A into sin square A, 2 sin cube A plus sin A minus 2 sin cube A, 2 sin A plus sin A, 3 sin A minus 2 sin cube A minus 2 sin cube, 4 sin cube A. This is the formula for sin 3a. Similarly, you have to prove that cos 3a formula. What is the formula of cos 3a? 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. Same you have to prove in this way. Cos 3a formula 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. Next tan 3a. 3 tan A minus tan cube A by 1 minus 3 tan square A. This is the formula for tan 3a. Next, cot 3a. 3 cot A minus cot cube A by 1 minus 3 cot square A. This is formula for cot 3a. Okay. Don't waste the time. Please read all these formulas. Whenever we will read these formulas, we will do the problems very easily. Okay. Next class, we will discuss the problems based on these formulas. Okay. Thank you everyone.